Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be continuing my home decor series, and as you already know, we're talking about kitchens. And today I'm going to tell you how I got my kitchen cabinets for free. Yes, F-R-E-E, free. I'll tell you that later in the video, but first I'm going to give you 3 tips on how you can get your kitchen cabinets at a very affordable cost, nearly dirt cheap, if not for free, like I did. If that's something you want to see, stay tuned. Guys, as you know, I'm looking to make over my kitchen, and I'm making it over on a budget. And of course, I want to get my cake and eat it too. What does that mean? I want to save money but still get the vision that I want for my kitchen, which is a minimalistic, clean, fresh, simple look is what I'm looking for. So with that said, I'm going to give you guys 3 tips on how you can save money on new cabinets. Stay till the end to find out exactly how I got my kitchen cabinet for free. Stay till the end. But let's first go into tip number 1, was to keep the current cabinets and refreshing it by simply just adding a new coat of paint, changing the doorknobs, changing the countertops, and you got you a brand new facelift on your kitchen cabinet. So if you're frugal like me, I wanted to go with that route. With tip number 1, keep your current kitchen cabinets and just give it a refresh. But unfortunately, that didn't work out that way, because once I actually started the process of prepping my cabinets to be painted, I realized my cabinets are not real wood. And I know you're probably thinking, well, the cabinets look like real wood. Yeah, that's what I thought too. But the reason why it looks like real wood is because the door is real wood and everything else isn't. It's laminate over MDF, and you can repaint it, but the thing about it is you probably have to add like a primer or some type of barrier paint that is strong enough to adhere to your actual paint that you want to put on it. But here was the problem for me, which is why I started to think, what are my options? I wanted new countertops, and I wanted to make sure my new countertops was a stone, whether it be marble, whether it be granite, whether it be quartz, to kind of offset the datedness of the cabinet. And I had to really think, do I really want to invest expensive countertops over very cheap cabinets? And because of that, I decided to look at my options to see what I can do to replace the cabinets. Tip number 2 on how you can get your kitchen cabinets dirt cheap prices or for free is going to Habitat for Humanities. And if you haven't heard of Habitat for Humanities, it's basically like a donation site where people to break down their cabinets, their doors, their windows, furniture, anything they don't need, they donated it. They donate it. It's kind of like a Goodwill, but everything else other than clothes, everything home. So I did my research. I was looking around for where and how I can find options on getting affordable cabinets. And guys, when you're really persistent on saving money on a makeover, you stumble upon things. And in my research, I found out about Habitat for Humanity. So thank God I happened to have one a couple of miles out away from me. And sure enough, when I got there, it was like a gold mine. There were so many cabinets, white, brown, all kinds of cabinets out there. But as you can see, Habitat for Humanity sells so many other things. They sell furniture, they sell cabinets, they sell tables, they sell beds, all kinds of stuff. So if just because it's being donated to Habitat for Humanities doesn't necessarily mean you're going to get it for free. What it is that you're going to get it at a much lower cost than if you were buying the kitchen cabinets at Home Depot or having it custom made. And when I went there, I was so surprised to see so many options. I got excited, and I seen like this beautiful white kitchen that fits exactly what I was looking for. It had modern cabinets, it was solid wood, it was just in great shape. And I was in love with it. Unfortunately, at the time when I saw the kitchen that I like, I did not have my camera to record. When you buy from Habitat for Humanity, you have to buy as is. No warranty, obviously. And of course, when you do find something you like, they're not going to split it apart. You have to take it as is. So now I'm thinking to myself, I found this kitchen that I love, and by the way, was only $1,200. And I know you're thinking $1,200 is a lot of money, but when you compare $1,200 to $25,000 for a brand new kitchen, and my plan was to install the cabinets, have the cabinets installed, and repaint them myself to save money. But here's the thing. I decided to sleep on it because I said, you know what? If I sleep on it, I'll figure out what I'm going to do with the extra cabinets before I get the kitchen cabinets, because where am I going to put the remaining pieces? Went back, gone, sold out. I mean, like, I was so sad. But yeah, it was a sad situation. So I continued to go and check out the place to see every day, every week, to see if they would have new kitchens, which they did, but didn't quite find exactly what I wanted. So I figured I'll be patient to check it out to see what pops up. As you can see, tip number 1 did not work out for me. Tip number 2 did not work out for me. Let's go to tip number 3 and on how you can save money on your kitchen cabinets and get it for the low, the cheap, is check out Craigslist and OfferUp. You'll be so surprised, guys, how many people just want to get rid of their kitchens because they're upgrading their kitchens and they want to make sure that their current kitchen is out the way and they don't want to spend the money to have it demolished. You'll be surprised how people just want to get rid of stuff and don't even care if you buy it. They just want it out of their home. And then you have those who want you to pay something, but it's way cheaper than if you were buying a kitchen from a retail store. And the way I stumbled upon Craigslist and Craigslist or OfferUp and finding out that people were selling their kitchen cabinets was that I actually started looking into how I can get rid of my very outdated stove. And I had many people who told me that they would donate their or give their stove, their appliances, and sell it on OfferUp. So I checked it out and decided, okay, I'm gonna sell my stove, my outdated stove, on OfferUp for a couple of dollars, but at least they can come and pick it up and I can get it out of my hair and make what, $20, $30, whatever. And in the process of doing that, I happened to find out that people are also selling their kitchen cabinets because they were upgrading, or they were moving out, or they just simply wanted to gut the place out and make money off of it. Guys, I was like, ah. So I went on a Craigslist and OfferUp, literally just looking at different options, and I found so many options. But unfortunately, the problem with Craigslist and OfferUp is that a lot of times, each time I found a kitchen that I loved and was in decent condition, it was not in my area. There was one that I was so close to getting, and it was all the way in Georgia. So that really sucked. And I just was like really bummed. I tried to talk to my husband about it, and he gave me the side eye like, okay, you're going too far. And maybe I was, but but yeah, but definitely that's an option for you guys. Don't sleep on OfferUp, Craigslist, or any of these sites where people are selling their stuff or giving them away because they want to get them out their space to make room for new stuff. So how did I end up getting my kitchen cabinets for free then? But you won't believe, at the exact same time when I was looking to remodel my kitchen, a friend of ours was looking to upgrade their kitchen as well. And everything had to go from ceiling to floor, wall, cabinets, everything had to go because they wanted to completely revamp their kitchen and give it a totally new look, a new vibe. And man, talk about perfect timing. Luckily, my friend's husband, a light bulb went off, and he was like, why don't you check to see what she would do with these cabinets, since they're looking to revamp their kitchen and looking to upgrade. And they contacted me, and obviously I was like, oh heck yeah, definitely. And not knowing that I was already checking out Craigslist and looking up OfferUp and going to Habitat for Humanities practically every week, unbeknownst to them, I was already in the market for something already pre-loved, pre-used, in great condition. So when they said it, I thought great, because I thought their kitchen was beautiful, it was up to date, it was high quality, it was a custom cabinet. The only thing is, they didn't want it, they wanted something more modern. And kudos to them, because we need people who don't appreciate their stuff, so people like me can appreciate it for them. So guys, I had a short period of time where I had to have their kitchen cabinets out of their home, because the deal was that we remove the kitchen, they don't have to pay the demolition cost to have it removed. So we had literally 2 days to take those kitchens out, and boy, was it a hassle. I mean, whew. Yeah, it was some work, but it was totally worth it. Unfortunately, we did not make it there on time to have all the pieces out on time, and a lot of several of the cabinets ended up outside, just trashed. But it's okay. I didn't see trash. I didn't see a mess. I saw my dream kitchen, guys, because I knew what I wanted to do with it. I knew what the vision was. The quality was there, and oh my gosh, I was so excited. Definitely what I would say, along with Craigslist and OfferUp, you can definitely check with friends and family members. See if anyone knows, or anyone you know is looking to upgrade their kitchen, that might possibly be getting rid of the ones they have, that can give it to you, because that's exactly what we did, and we managed to get our kitchen for free. Literally, the kitchen was in the trash, so totally different kitchen, but I was gonna make it work. It didn't matter. I was gonna find a way to arrange these cabinets and make it work, and still make it look somewhat professional and work for the taste that I was going for. So guys, here's the journey to revamping our cabinets. And as you can see, I know it doesn't look like nothing special now, but you got to stick with me on the vision. White, clean, minimalistic. Guys, I hope those tips help you. Stay tuned to my next video. Like and subscribe, and of course share and comment below. Tell me what your thoughts are about this process. Tell me if you would have done any of these tips, or if you've already done them, what your experience was. I would love to hear what it is, and I'm sure there's more tips out there that you guys have that I'm not aware of, because you guys always never cease to surprise me with all the ideas you have. So put it down below and let me know. Let's talk about it, and see you guys on the next video.